na. Papunta na kami sa Eiffel Tower. Ito yung tour guide namin. May pa-tour guide. Eiffel Tower lift. Eiffel Tower. Okay, umabot kami. Candarata. Papunta rito from the Trocadero mismo yung Eiffel. Ayan na pala yun. Ayan siya, oh. Yung tip. Oo.
Cross the street on the left, please.
Okay. Neko. Here. Pinold ko na eh. Pwede naman i-fold that. Sila pinold eh. May Malay, may Spanish. Kami lang ang Filipino. Haba. Bumabawi talaga ang Shanghai, no? May pag-guided tour ang Eiffel.
Kasama sa tour yun.
Oo.
Yung kay Eric. Kaya lang mahal siguro yun.
Yung kay Eric, wala, outside lang din yun. Additional pa ba rin Louvre? Hindi ba merong may tickets, merong may wala. Optional ang ticket. So, kung si Eric meron din kung meron din ticket, may bumili ng ticket, hindi siya ang guide. May guide talaga. For this.
Parang yung Seine River, no?
Yeah.
Diyan din sila.
Oh, iniwan din sila. Hindi siya tour guide ng mga attractions or landmarks. Tingnan mo, di ba may kinukuha? Yung Korea. Korean, yung Chinese dun sa may Rome.
Per country.
Oo. Diyos ko, kung pati yun, no? Habang daan, nagsasalita na siya tungkol sa history, no?
Memorize na ngayon. Kasi
Oo. Wala nang binabasa, no? Tsaka nakaupo. Usually, tour guide, dahil ba nakatayo? Nakaharap sa lahat. Siya nakaupo, eh. Tamad na tamad na. Magara. No? Napansin ko may ilaw na tama yung natin, sakay natin, may ilaw. Maganda talaga daw yung lift sa sa gabi. Sabi ko naman sa kanya na naman yan eh. Gabi yan, yung gagamitin namin yan, yung lift na yan. Pagdating namin sa gabi, yung first day.
Hindi ba mapagod
Oo. Useless. Useless ang pa-lift. Eiffel lift. Hindi facelift. Ayan na siya, oh. Yung Louvre, sana puntahan. Makapunta talaga tayo dun sa edge nung pyramid. Hindi kagaya nung nandun tayo may harang. Ang layo eh. Gusto ko yung kanila. Kaya pumunta dito, gusto ko gayahin yung mga picture nila. Ayan na siya.
So I just want to explain to you something before we go under the Eiffel Tower. Normally, we see, because now it's dark, you cannot see, but you have 72 golden names all around the first floor of the Eiffel Tower. This is the name of French high personality born after the French Revolution. Because the tower was made by Gustave Eiffel for the World Fair in Paris in 1889, and also to celebrate the 100th anniversary of the French Revolution. Normally the tower should stay only 20 years in Paris, and after we have to destroy the tower. But Gustave Eiffel, he doesn't want, so he tried many science experimentation to save the tower. Like to drop an object and calculate the speed of the object. But his greatest achievement was to put the big antenna on the top floor. 10 years after the opening, when he put the antenna, He give us the radio in Paris. And after that, we say we don't achieve the tower forever. This is why. Just behind you have the first security control. When you are close to the security, just start to open your bag. They will look inside for nothing. Will empty your pockets. Yes, this is good, no problem. Empty your pockets, and it's gonna be fast. I'm gonna split the route maybe in 2 lines. It's all the same. It's just to be more fast. And after the security, if you want, I can take you on family picture. I'm not bad. That's no problem.
Naman talaga nakakakuha ng humor ng mga tour guide eh. Buti na lang, may pakala sila ako. Hindi eh, kawa-kawa naman. Hindi na kawa. Aha. Talagang kinukuhanan ko tong tour na to, no? This is the main event. Ha? Ano? Hindi na maghuhubad ng jacket? Saan na ba sila? Tamang-tama lang ang lamig. Caring.
Yeah.
Ano nga sabi?
17:24.
5:24 p.m. and it's dark already here in Paris Eiffel Tower. Okay, entrance, entrada, Spanish. Where's our guide? Yeah, here. We're here. Nakakainis itong case na to.